Welcome to Frequently Asked Questions About Goal Setting Answered. In this series, I am presenting you with some frequently asked questions about goal setting which I face every now and then. And today's question in this series is how to create a mindset for goal setting. This is a question that I work on with day in, day out, morning till evening. Whenever I am working with my coaches, I am working on this particular question, that how to create a mindset for goal setting. How to convince your mind for goal setting. How to convince that yes, it is possible, and yes, goal setting is going to work, and all this hard work is worth doing. How to convince this? And I'll discuss about this in today's video. Hi, this is Dr. Ashish Nagar PT. I am a YouTuber and NLP transformation and wellness coach. I have been working with coaches and helping them clear their mindsets, create a mindset for becoming a coach. And I can help you create your mindset for whatever you want to achieve in your life. It is absolutely possible. There are certain hurdles that I'm going to discuss in this video. Let's move to the main content. Today's question is how to create a mindset for goal setting. I'll ask you one simple question: what is stopping you from goal setting? Yes, try to find out what is stopping you from goal setting. Let me summarize it for you. Either these are your beliefs which are engraved in you, which are deep rooted in you, that are stopping you from goal setting. There are certain beliefs given to you by your society, by your parents, by the people in between whom you have grown up, by the surrounding where you belong to. And if this surrounding believes that goal setting is bullshit, you can not go for goal setting. Your mind will not accept it. So your beliefs make a very big difference. Second, your past experiences. The drudgery, you would have tried doing goal setting several times in your life, but you would have never succeeded because you did not complete all the steps of goal setting. You were not firm about goal setting, you were not firm about the steps you want to take, you were not firm about the result you are expecting, you were not firm about how you are going to do it. And so you ended up into failure. Even in small things, you set a goal for something small and you don't achieve it, and you just say, you generalize it and you say goal setting is bullshit, it is not going to work. So this might be happen, or not your experiences absolutely, maybe experiences of other people, maybe experiences of your friend or your relative or somebody else that you have just sought out and you have set it inside you as a belief that goal setting doesn't work. The third factor that doesn't allow you to do goal setting is the hard work that is involved. But as I am saying again and again, that you should believe in the Pareto principle, which says 80% of thinking, mind work, and 20% of physical work. If you have a good project ready, if you have a good plan ready, and you take the steps according to that plan, you will definitely be able to achieve what you want to achieve. There are only 3 things that are stopping you from doing the goal setting. The first is the guilt or regret from the past. The second is the uncertainty of the future. And the third is the undecisiveness of the present. If you can do anything in the life, you can do it in this very moment. This is very much important for you to understand. We know this fact, but we still waste our present moments. This very moment, you are wasting your present moments. And where they are going, just sit down and think for 1 minute, for a fraction of second also. If you think, what is in your mind? Is it that whatever Ashish is saying is bullshit? Is your mind giving you references, all negative references from the past? Or is your mind saying whatever Ashish is saying is a bullshit because you cannot predict even the next second what is going to happen? Yes, I do agree with you that it is not possible. But tell me one thing, what can you do about the past and what can you do about the future? What can you do about whatever has passed till the last minute in your life? If till the last minute of your life something has passed, already it is gone, what can you do about it? And what can you do about in the future if the next minute what is coming in your life? If you do not know what is coming. That is why it is said that it has been pushed by Eckhart Tolle in his book Now, in his book Stillness Speaks, that sit down, ponder on your thoughts that are in your present. And are they surrounded with negativities from the past, or are they surrounded with fear about the future? And do you want this to continue? No. So how to create the mindset for goal setting? Number one, leave the regret and guilt. Forgive the people from the past. Don't forget. I'm not saying to forget. It is not possible. You might be having lot of significance associated to those past experiences and those past painful memories. You'll not be able to forget it. But forgive it. Forgive the situations, forgive the events, forgive the people involved in it. Number one. Number two, thank the people for being there. Because whatever you have got in the past has prepared you to come in the future and think about your future. It has prepared you to think that yes, I am here and I need goal setting in my life for a successful future. What has compelled you to think this today and see this video is this, that all you have got from the past. So use the positivity from the past. Use it and now create a future. What you want, start working towards it. Passionately, perseverance, consistency, continuously. And with the belief that yes, it is possible. So there are only two things that can help you create your mindset. The first thing is freeing of your past of guilt and regret and all the associated unresourceful relations that are with that. And certaining what you want in the future. Create a certainty, step by step certainty. So what if someday some step misses? It's okay, you can just replace it. We can modify the plan and it is better than having no plan. Isn't it? So make a plan for your future. Leave, forgive and feel thankful for your past. Be still in your present and work in the present moment for your future. And if you do these three things, I assure you, the mindset that you will create. I know it's not easy. I'm not saying it's easy, but it's simple. And it needs consistency. It needs your willingness and your affirmism to do this. Just take this decision, try it out for 1 week and see the results. Alright? Take care. Bye-bye. Have a nice day and have a great life.